If your fowl is looking like this, it has a swollen red eye, as if it went to fight in the middle of the night with some village people and who I don't know. I'm here to successfully tell you, first of all, that fowl did not fight. But there is one bacteria that gave it blow on its eye. It's called the Avibacterium paragallinarum. Yes, it's responsible for the disease known as Avian Coryza. Yes, so when you see your fowl looking like this and it's looking stressed, or possibly one of them died as a result of this, just know that Avian Coryza is in the building. It's in your poultry farm and is there to feast with your poultry beds. And your poultry fowls will successfully collect. Except you start the isolation process when you notice it on one. How can Avian Coryza successfully spread in your poultry farm? Number one, through the air. Yes, if you don't clean your pen regularly, it's bound to even happen. Number two, the water you give your birds, their drinking trough. If you don't rinse it, you don't wash it regularly, they can contact it through that process. Number three, feeders. Your feeding trough, whatsoever you use to feed your birds, they can contact it through that process. Whatsoever equipment used in your poultry house, just know they can contact Avian Coryza through that process. Then number four, you see when the house is crowded, like you jam-packed them inside one house, that's the easiest and fastest way for the Avian Coryza to spread. Very fast, no limit. As he's touching Akpan, he's touching Nkechi, he's touching Nkechi's neighbors and everybody around it. Yes. Then number five, you see when you are introducing new set of chicken into the pen of the old flocks that are doing well, you did not check them to know, you did not observe them first before you start introducing them to go and stay with the brothers and sisters. Is bound to contact that. So it is advised when you want to introduce new flocks, first of all, isolate it. Isolate and observe before introducing, for your own sake. Then number six, visitors and village people that want to come and enter into your pen and observe what is happening. If you don't put preventive chemicals at the entrance of that poultry for them to disinfect their food before they enter inside there, I'm successfully going to tell you that Avian Coryza is by the corner waiting to happen to you. Yes. Now, what are the signs and symptoms for you to know that your birds don't collect Avian Coryza? Number one, you see when the birds have that swollen eye like you see in this video, as the eye is big, as if they punch it. That is the early sign of your bird have collected Avian Coryza. Yes. Number two, when their droplets are watery discharge, their poo-poo is watery, is also a sign, an early sign for you to look into it. Number three, when they start sneezing left, right, and center without control, another wonderful sign for you to know that your bird has successfully collected. Number four, you see when your bird is looking dull, like nothing is happening, the bird is just one side, quiet, in a quiet mood. Check that bird. It might be possible avian has happened to it. Or when the bird has a comprehensive loss of appetite in eating, the feed intake of that bird successfully drops. Also check, it's an early sign that your bird has Avian Coryza. You should be warned. Now, to the dangerous sign of Avian Coryza. You see when there is a thick discharge from that bed, that's your fowl, water don pass garri, yes, or the eyes has closed, just know that this one has passed, be warned, you are no longer warned. It is not happening. Yes. Or when you notice a sharp drop in egg production, the egg that bird is producing every day, it drops drastically for layers. There is an avian coryza in the building dealing with that bird. You need to isolate it. Very important. If you also notice drastic death because of that thing, let's just say you ignored it when it was happening, then you notice a fowl that had those symptoms and signs died, start to do what they call isolation process, because it has gone beyond early signs of being warned. It's now in the stage of you have been warned, start to collect. It is happening to you. Now, what are the ways you can prevent avian coryza from happening to you, your poultry, and your birds? Number 1, clean your poultry equipment regularly. 2, clean your poultry house regularly. Put a disinfectant at the entrance so that any visitor coming in will step on that before going into your poultry house. Number 4, if you eventually notice something fishy happening to your birds, the early signs or the pre-early signs, isolate. Don't even think about it. 2 times, run, isolate that chicken and start observing. Start administering treatment to it. Or isolate and go get your doctor, your veterinary doctor, if need be. If it needs treatment, you can't even treat it by yourself. Go and get that doctor to pay attention to it. Most importantly, isolate if need be. If it doesn't need treatment, you just know what to do. The main thing is to isolate, put it in a different pen and take care of it there. Because if you leave it with others, your birds, all of una go collect. You will successfully collect and cry premium tears. You get the point now. Sharp. Like and subscribe.